Well, all day. So far, nothing but my footprints in the snow. No tracks. No deer.
Like ants.
What's in that bowl?
Corn.
Do they really come up that far?
Yeah, they have so far. We'll see. Don't spook them. Here comes a big one. Oh, that's a big one too. Here he comes. Get the bowl. Here he goes.
And there's these really? You think by now they know each other? Yeah, there's not.
Let him eat. Just let him eat once. There we go.
Now they're all.
There we go.
Like a little run. Look at his little tail. What are they? Penny.
Oh, here comes another one off the back.
That one's fast.